And for today ay mag-unbox tayo ng bago naming nabili na H14 Ultra Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner from Dreamy. Lalagyan mo lang ng sapat na tubig at cleaning solution
Nagmamap ka na, nagbabacuum ka pa.
with 20,000 suction power, 40 minutes max runtime. Napaka-high-tech, meron siyang auto, suction, ultra, and custom
Edge
mode.
cleaning dual-sided.
Glide-sided wheel power system with hot air drying kaya napakabilis matuyo ng sahig. At syempre, bilang may kids sa bahay, hindi mo maiiwasang talagang makalat minsan. Mabuti na lang ay nabibend ito kaya makukuha talaga kahit sa ilalim o kasulok-sulukan ng bahay ninyo. Alikabok, dumi o kahit ketchup sauce, makukuha niya.
Put the appliance on the charging base for self-cleaning.
At pagkatapos nga pala natin gamitin, meron na rin siyang self-cleaning mode.
Charging started. Self-cleaning function off.
Napaka-high-tech, meron na siyang hot water self-cleaning mode.
So, malinis na siya, parang bago ulit at ready na ulit gamitin.
With solid and liquid separation and easy to clean. And if you also want this, click the yellow basket.